Hi everyone, welcome to Study English with Vinita in YouTube channel. English conversation practice. তোমাৰ ভালনে? How are you? How are you? মই ভালে আছো. I am fine. I am fine. আপোনাৰ বয়স কিমান? How old are you? How old are you? মোৰ বয়স 25 বছৰ. I am 25 years old. I am 25 years old. আপুনি কি কৰে? What do you do? What do you do? মই এজন ছাত্ৰ. I am a student. I am a student. কেইটা বাজিছে? What time is it? What time is it? 6টা বাজিছে. It's 6 o'clock. It's 6 o'clock. আপুনি ইংৰাজী কয়? Do you speak English? Do you speak English? হয়, মই ইংৰাজী কওঁ. Yes, I speak English. Yes, I speak English. মই ইংৰাজী ক'ব নাজানো. I don't speak English. I don't speak English. আপোনাৰ প্ৰিয় ৰং কি? What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color? মোৰ প্ৰিয় ৰং নীলা. My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is blue. তুমি সংগীত ভাল পোৱানে? Do you like music? Do you like music? হয়, মই সংগীত ভাল পাওঁ. Yes, I like music. Yes, I like music. আপোনাৰ ভাই-ভনী আছেনে? Do you have siblings? Do you have siblings? হয়, মোৰ দুজন ভাই-ভনী আছে. Yes, I have 2 siblings. Yes, I have 2 siblings. আপোনাৰ প্ৰিয় জন্তুটো কি? What's your favorite animal? What's your favorite animal? মোৰ প্ৰিয় জন্তু এটা কুকুৰ. My favorite animal is a dog. My favorite animal is a dog. আপোনাৰ প্ৰিয় খাদ্য কি? What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? মই পিজ্জা ভাল পাওঁ. I like pizza. I like pizza. আপোনাৰ প্ৰিয় ঋতুটো কি? What's your favorite season? What's your favorite season? মোৰ প্ৰিয় ঋতু হ'ল গ্ৰীষ্মকাল. My favorite season is summer. My favorite season is summer. তুমি খেল ভাল পোৱানে? Do you like sports? Do you like sports? হয়, মই ফুটবল খেলি ভাল পাওঁ. Yes, I like playing football. Yes, I like playing football. তোমাৰ মনত আছেনে? Do you remember? Do you remember? হয়, মোৰ মনত আছে. Yes, I do remember. Yes, I do remember.